Hello! So today I'm going to teach you a technique exercise that is all about footwork and balance. So to start with, you'll need to get into a space where you've got enough room to outstretch your arms all the way without hitting into anything. If you need to change your orientation halfway through, that's fine. Just make sure that you're not going to injure yourself or break anything around you. So you're going to start parallel with your feet underneath your hips. You start bringing your arms out to the side as you tendu your right foot out. You lower that foot flat to the floor, and then when you flex that front foot is when you bring your arms into a first. Then lower, then push off, that's all the way off the ground there. Drag through against the floor, sweep forwards, you're extended there. You reach as far out as you can, forwards, to catch, swing both arms. Now don't cheat here, don't bring your back leg in underneath you. You need to travel all the way back to it. And your arm comes out, gather overhead, back, plant that foot back to the parallel, down, up to the side, left leg, point, lower, flex, lower, off the ground, sweep, through, fall, then back, up and over, down, skim the ground, then out. Now we come to first, but we're still going to the front. So right leg, tendu, lower, flex, lower, lift, sweep, through. So here the challenge is to keep your turn out. Lengthen, fall to catch, long neck, swing back, gather, through a demi-plie, and out to the side. Then one, lower, flex, lift off, sweep, through, hold on to your turn out, catch, then back, up and over, down, skim the ground, and out. Then we go to the side. Tendu, out, lower, flex, lower, lift off, you sweep through, behind, then out, then catch, one leg straight, one leg bent, rebound that top arm, up, gather, down, and out. Little adjustment if you need to, like I do. Tendu, lower, flex, down, lift off, then pull, fall to catch, lengthen through, then up, gather, down, and out. Then you guessed it, we're going to the back. Right foot first. Tendu, lower, flex, and your foot might not go very far here, but lift those toes off, lower, transfer your weight, again lift that foot off, pull through the floor, front to back this time. You land on the back leg, you bend at the knee, swing upper body, rebound, up, gather, down and out. Then rewind, tendu, lower, flex, lower, off, pull, through, swing back, and up and over, down, skim the ground and out. So for this one you want to think about lengthening through the top of your head, creating space in your hips, like lifting up and out, and planting that supporting foot, like spreading that foot into the ground to give you a secure base, so you're not wobbling too much. It's not the end of the world if you wobble, because by saving the wobble and not falling all the way over, you're getting stronger. And the more you practice it, the more secure you'll start to feel on that supporting leg. Let's go with the music. I'm using a song called Eugene by Arlo Parks. I've written it down. There you go. So you can use that one if you like, it's got quite a nice rhythm, but it's totally up to you. I don't mind if you use different music. For now, we'll use that one and we'll go together. Nice parallel feet underneath your hips. Ready? 6, 7, and off the ground, fall through. Then turn out to the front, right leg, flex, off. side. Then flex. Lift. Pull through as far as you can go. Down and out. Drag it back behind. Now to the back. Tendu. Lower. Flex. Then up. Lower, flex, down, up. So practice that one a few times. Make sure the rise and fall of the weight in your upper body starts to become really organic. Like, use your breath to follow that weight. It'll really help on the moment, like where you come forward and catch. Use that rebound to send you back. No cheating. Make sure your legs are as far apart as possible to come back with a real challenge. Don't make it too easy for yourselves. You can take a full count of 8 or a couple of counts of 8 if you need to change your orientation, depending on what your space is like. But most importantly, be kind to yourselves. Don't be too hard on yourselves if you're wobbling. It's natural. The whole point of the exercise is to help you get better with that. Really go through your feet. Lift up and out through your core as much as possible, but still have a softness there. Have fun, guys. Enjoy.